I'm going to talk about a festival in my country. It's called Guy Fawkes Night or Bonfire Night. Guy Fawkes takes place on the 5th of November in a park in the city centre. It starts in the early evening and it's usually cold and dark. We always meet our friends at a pub and have dinner there. Then we go to the park in the dark. There is a big bonfire in the park. We burn a puppet of Guy Fawkes on the bonfire. There's also a fairground, so we eat sweets, go on rides, and some people drink beer. Then there are fireworks. I love going to Guy Fawkes Night, and I really look forward to the next one.